Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to upload video from your YouTube Studio app. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to click on this plus icon. But wait, if you don't have this feature enabled on your YouTube Studio app, you simply need to go to Play Store or Apple Store depending on your device. You simply search for YouTube Studio and you simply update your YouTube Studio. Once you are done updating your YouTube Studio, you simply click on this plus icon up here. So once you're here, you simply need to choose the location of the video. So I will just take this first one here. After which, we'll start by inserting our heading. That's our topic. So after that, if you have a description about this video, you can simply add it. So once you're done adding your description, you simply scroll down, and if you have a playlist, you can simply add the video on the playlist. Okay, choose it. We'll scroll down, and if you want to make sure that this video can be used for YouTube short, for remix, you simply need to choose this option, allow, or if you don't want, you simply choose there. So I'm going to choose the first one. I'll scroll down. If you want to put off the comments on that particular video, you can put it, but I'll leave it on. So once you are done with that, you can simply click on next. Not for child, so the last option, age restriction, so I'm going to leave it like that. After which I'm going to click on upload video. So this might take a while. We simply need to wait. So our video is now ready to be watched, so we are going to click on it. So guys, that's it. You can simply click on watch. So guys, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.